Gusto mo ba magsimula ng digital product business kay System.io pero hindi mo alam kung paano gamitin ang platform or na-overwhelm ka sa complexity nito or hindi mo alam kung paano mo i-structure ang online business mo? Well, you are in the right place dahil sa video na ito ay bibigyan kita ng 5 steps kung paano ka magsimula ng digital product business gamit ang System.io kahit na ikaw ay nasa free plan pa lang. So a quick background lang guys, I've been using System.io since 2022 and revamped my digital product business this year 2024. So yung isi-share ko sa'yo sa video na ito ay based on my own experience and knowledge about System.io. Hi, this is Rose and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this channel ay gumagawa ko ng mga tips and video tutorials that will help you in your digital product business. So if you are interested in my topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong videos. Kung ikaw ay isang aspiring digital product seller na gustong matutunan si System.io, kung paano magbenta ng digital products mo sa platform na ito, then you are in the right place. Step 1 is to know what digital products you are going to sell. So dapat alam mo kung anong mga digital products ang gusto mong ibenta, and these digital products should be aligned in your passion and in your skills. Bakit nga ba connected yung mga ibibenta mong digital products sa iyong passion and skills? The reason is that para mas madali mo siyang maibenta sa iyong mga audience, kasi kapag ramdam ng mga audience mo na may passion ka sa ginagawa mo and then you have the expertise, the knowledge, and the experience about the digital products, then it will be easily for you to sell that products. So marami po tayong mga different types of digital products that you can sell online. Example nito ay ang ebooks, online course, printables, template, membership sites, mga presets, software, at mga apps. At marami pa yan guys. At ayun nga, ito ay nakadepende sa iyong passion and skills. As a beginner, ay pili ka ng isa sa mga digital products na yan na mas madali para sa'yo. So, in my case, I choose ebook and online course. Step number 2 is building your sales funnel. So ano nga ba itong sales funnel? Si sales funnel ay ang nagsisilbing salesperson para sa'yo na nagtatrabaho para sa'yo 24/7. Ang kagandahan kasi sa System.io, kahit na naka-free account pa lang ay meron ka ng 3 funnels. So ito yung ginawa ko sa aking System.io account. Para i-maximize yung 3 funnels na yon in sa System.io, ang ginawa ko ay gumawa ako ng lead generation funnel where ang purpose ng funnel na ito guys is to build my email list. So meron akong free ebook na ibibigay sa aking mga audience. Maybe some of you ay dumaan na doon sa funnel na yon where you enter your email address and then you receive my lead magnet or my free ebook. The second funnel na ginawa ko ay itong sales funnel for my low ticket offer na nasa 499 pesos. And the third funnel ay ginamit ko for my middle ticket offer. So this third funnel ay para dun sa System.io 8 PLR courses na nasa 5,000 pesos. So that's how I structure my funnel inside System.io. Again, the lead generation funnel, the sales funnel for my low ticket offer, and then the sales funnel for my middle ticket offer. So if you wonder kung paano gumawa ng lead generation funnel at saka yung sales funnel, meron na din po akong ginawang mga video tutorials inside my YouTube channel. So check mo lang, and also I will put the link in the description of this video. So pwede mo siyang panoorin right after this video. Step number 3 is to deliver your digital products to your audience. So, paano naman ito gagawin? So, meron tayong different ways kung paano makukuha ng iyong audience yung digital products mo. First way ay maglagay ka ng download button after they subscribe to your email list or after nila mag-opt-in sa iyong lead generation na funnel. So sa thank you page ay pwede ka na agad maglagay ng button where they can click that button and then download the resources that you promised. The second way is to deliver the products using an email automation. Isa din ito sa mga nagustuhan ko kay System.io kasi meron na din silang built-in na email automation. So, the moment na mag-subscribe si audience dun sa opt-in page mo, ay they will receive an email automatically na andoon na yung link where they can download the digital products. The third way na alam ko is through online course. Dito din kay System.io ay pwede kang mag-upload na yung mga online course where you can give access to your students. You can do this automatically or by manual. And the fourth way naman is to let them join to your community. Yes, inside System.io, you can also build your community like a Facebook group. So this is one of the feature ni System.io that I am looking forward to, where you can create community inside the platform and engage with your audience. Step number 4 is to set up your payment processing. Dito sa Pilipinas guys, ay meron tayong dalawang payment gateway na pwede nating i-integrate kay System.io, which is ay PayPal at ang SendIt. So kung wala ka pang PayPal account, ay pwede kang gumawa ng account sa PayPal. Free lang po yun. And then from personal account, ay kailangan mo siyang i-convert into business account para magamit mo siya kay System.io. And then kung si SendIt naman, ay kailangan mo ng BIR registration para magamit mo yung card payment using SendIt inside System.io. So meron na din akong ginawang video tutorials about SendIt. You can check sa video na ito. So, what if wala kang PayPal at saka wala kang SendIt? Ano yung pwede mong gawin? Well, in this case, ay manual na lang silang magsisend sa'yo ng kanilang payment. And then, manual mo na ding i-email sa kanila or ibigay yung link kung paano nila ma-download or makuha yung resources na binabayaran nila sa'yo. Step number 5 is to automate, analyze, and adapt. So once you launch your digital products, it's time to reevaluate your process, kung kumusta ba yung feedback na yung mga audience ng yung mga customers about your digital products or about your process or your system. So kung ano man yung mga comments and feedbacks nila ay kailangan mo i-address, and also you need to evaluate your sales funnel, your opt-in page. So, hindi porket nakapag-launch ka na guys ay okay na yun na yun. May mga bagay ka pa din na kailangan mong ayusin, kailangan mong i-optimize for better conversion. So, in this way is that you can serve your students, your clients the best way that you can. Selling digital products using System.io can be overwhelming when you're just getting started. Pero kapag natutunan mo na yung platform, alam mo na yung navigation, and also alam mo na kung paano mo i-structure yung digital product business mo, alam mo na kung paano yung pricing, then it will be easier for you and also you will get 100% self-confident about your digital business. May advice para mas malaman mo pa or mas matutunan mo pa si System.io, ay mag-take ka ng System.io certification. Free lang po yun guys. And I'm pretty sure it will help you a lot when it comes to System.io navigation. So if you get value from this video, don't forget to hit like and comment down below kung ano yung mga natutunan mo from this video. And of course guys, don't forget to watch this video where I share with you on how to create a sales funnel inside System.io. And I will see you there.